Today, we're diving into how to connect Google Analytics 4 to ConvertKit, step by step. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss out on the free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, just log in and follow along. First, you'll need a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with Google Analytics 4. Head over to your Zapier dashboard, click Create, and select Zaps. If you need help, Zapier's Copilot will guide you through the process. Next, select both ConvertKit and Google Analytics 4 from the list of available apps. On the right side, enter the required details to link your accounts. To connect ConvertKit, click Sign In, then go to your ConvertKit developer settings and copy your API secret key. Paste it back into Zapier and click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Now repeat the process for Google Analytics 4. You can simply log in with your Google account to complete the connection. Once both accounts are linked, configure your settings as needed, click Publish, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Analytics 4 to ConvertKit. I hope this video made the process simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.